Alright, this is Will again with Competitive Edge Pavers, and we are here in Jacksonville, Florida. We just completed a sealer installation using Techniseal product. So this one, the homeowner wanted to go with a wet look. It is the perfect blend of wet look gloss. So with this, you don't see the gloss. You see there's this actual material leaves a nice showroom sheen on the surface. It looks really nice. So this process here, we treated the pavers with a formula specifically made for pavers. We cleaned them, poly sand the paver area, then sealed it. We also sealed the columns. So if anyone has a nice glass of wine and accidentally spills it, this is what'll happen. It'll sit right on the surface. Let's get you a napkin and wipe it up. That's part of the seal process. It doesn't allow moisture to absorb in the paver, and it also protects the surface from the UV rays, constant sun. All right, we'll catch you guys on the next one.